Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to add shadow in Canva. In last tutorial, we show how to upload image into Canva and then put the image into Canva design. If you want to see how to make it, we can find the tutorial in this channel. Now we can add shadow to this image. We can select the image and then go to edit and then go to the effects. We can find shadows. Click it and then we have option to add shadow. For example, we can add drop shadow. We can add backdrop shadow. In this tutorial, I will show the curved shadow. After selecting the type of shadow, we can go to bottom. We can customize the setting. We can make it blur. We can adjust the distance. And we can adjust the curve of shadow. And we can change the color. For example, I turn it to red. And we can change the intensity. This is how we can add shadow to an image. If we want to add shadow to text, firstly we can add text, and then we can add the text box. For example, I type add shadow, and I want to enlarge it. So I change the font size to 16, for example, and I make it bold, and I want to change the color to white. So if we select the text and then go to effects, and then we can find shadow here. Next, we can change the color of shadow. We can change it to red or customize the color. So this is how we can add shadow in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.